Back at it again. I actually got up here and discovered I had one more screw left. Like, what the heck? Okay. Alright. We're at that point now where I got no more. There's no more wood. To stand on. It's now all roofing. Get that back up there where I had it. Oh, nuts. Oh, shoot. I did have room. Out of here. I did have a little bit of room here. Great. Yeah, I have to make something work here. Could have gone further up. Huh. Okay. Put that up his butt. Put it up like I wanted it, but I gotta figure out how to get off that rope. Well, I don't like that. Unfortunately, you've already got that secured down. It's gonna leave you a hole. Well, shoot. You're gonna have to make a strip. Yeah. Guess I'm gonna have to make it out of that whole piece. Bring it down so it contours around that thing. Oh well. You're gonna be going straight across. Okay, it's good there. One more right here. Oh man, you missed whatever was there. Ah, nuts. Nutso. Where is it? I lift it up a little bit. Look under there. Yeah. You missed that by a mile. Alright, I like that. It's secured. Those are secured. I'm not going to worry about securing any more for now. Those tops come down from up there. Ah, man. Alright, so I'm going to have to contour and overlap. And then we'll go up inside. Right there. So But what was it was going to go all the way up under there. Not sure what happened. Probably because of the point I'm not there to actually oversee the top of it when you go to slide it up. So, but alright, takes care of that. I'm going to go ahead and work on that side over there, and then whatever I got for skinny pieces left over, I'll bring over here. So I'll take care of that. This is get in the truck, Mama. Get in the truck, Mama. Get in the truck, Mama. Yeah, you know.
I love you. Goodbye.
Love you.
Going to top.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
Eventually.
Okay.
Hey, don't fall off the roof while I'm going.
Try not to.
Huh?
I'll try not to. Ouch. Alright. Okay. Secure that and that and that. Let's get that side over there done. There. Alright, we'll step over the top of that this time around. Alright, let's see how far I get. I managed to get up on the side over there. I got the lower piece down. Now I'm going to go up the rest of this and hopefully my piece installed. I don't know how slippery we're going to be tonight. But it's super moist, so I'm gonna be as careful as I can. Hopefully I got some traction. Come on, get off me. Got no wind tonight. That is great. Take that over there with me. All right. There we go. Some cases can be good, some cases it can be bad. All right. That's with that. Wish I'd done this when I was up here a while ago, the other day. Let's just look up in here. Okay. Hammer? Oh, my hand. Okay. Where the heck is the edge of the roof? Okay. Foot in there. I didn't get around to doing this earlier. Ah, Jesus. Yeah, found something there. There's something there. Oh, great. Yeah, I got that old buzzard pre-nailed either. Find something. Okay, get something there. Somewhat something there. Basically, whatever I can get now. You nut! Come on. Come on. With a bent nail. Perfect. There you go. Okay. Oh, my middle finger's starting to freeze up again. Oh, cut it out. All right. Okay. Really solid. Hopefully the little screws will go through there as well. Okay. So now, let's get us my metal sheet up here. There we go. You're stepping on ropes. Not a good thing. You don't. Over there. There she is. Lost footing. Lost my footing. Let's get that out there. Okay, whoa. Slippery. You can see I got everything in the neighborhood. Right here with it. Inside that board. I don't want riding for the moment. Anyway, still back up. Okay. Yep. Oh. Oh, that's what happened. Oh. Oh, great.